how to recover past tax returns. In order to do that, you may follow up these easy steps. So head over to the TurboTax browser, which is turbotax.intuit.com. Head over to the link and then log in into your account using your credentials. Click on the sign in button after you enter up your email address and follow the on-screen process in order to log in. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now head over to documents, and in order to view it, you may click on this view from documents, drop it down, and in order to look for past ones, select up the date range from the past. Once you've selected, you can easily find the documents. All you gotta do is tap on download at the top, and that's it. Otherwise, you may head over to tax home at the top, and after clicking on it, here also you will be finding year. So go to the particular year and tap on download and print return PDF form, and that's it. So that is how you basically get your past tax returns on TurboTax. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.